This lesson is from the 8th grade Houghton Mifflin English book. It is on adverbs and it coordinates with pages 200 to 203 in the student textbook. Adverbs of time answer when. Yesterday, today, early, finally, always, before, now, often, soon again. Adverbs of place answer where. Above, away, backward, below, down, here, in, out, there, up. Adverbs of manner answer how. Carefully, correctly, gracefully, kindly, quickly, softly, swiftly. Be careful to place adverbs as close to the word that they modify. Intensifiers tell to what extent. Almost, very, more, really, slightly, so, quite, and rather. All right, so number one, how could I pass the time indoors? How and indoors both modify could pass. Okay, I looked very hard. Very is an intensifier, modifying hard. Hard modifies how you looked. Really is an intensifier, modifying good. I read almost steadily for a few hours. Almost is an intensifier, modifying steadily. Steadily modifies read. I exercise rather vigorously here and there. Rather is an intensifier, modifying vigorously. Vigorously modifies exercised. Here and there both modify exercised. I ran up and down repeatedly and rested afterwards. Up and down modifies ran. Repeatedly modifies ran. Sorry, this should go to ran. Afterwards modifies rested. I became extremely hungry and made a large pot of soup. Extremely is an intensifier. It modifies hungry. And then very is an intensifier, modifying large. Okay. The next one, actually, science fiction can be traced back to myths. It should say science fiction can actually be traced back to myths. A Greek writer merely rewrote myths as science fiction. You could say a Greek writer, you don't even really need merely. So with that one, this sentence is correct. You really don't have to change it at all. Merely is fine. It's right next to rewrote. In the 1600s, modern scientist was just developing. Again, this one's okay. There's no shift needed. Number 10, modern science fiction developed also at this time. It should be also developed at this time. And then probably Jonathan Swift produced the first enduring science fiction in his 1726 satire, Gulliver's Travels. Probably should be closer to produced. So Jonathan Swift probably produced.